Our sport and exercise physiology pathway here in the School of Sport, Health and Exercise Sciences at Bangor University is the one that will offer you the most in-depth insight into the role that physiology plays in high-level athletic performance and the way that physiology may impact on the health of athletes and clinical populations. This pathway is ideal for students who want to take the knowledge of physiology to the next level and to a standard that can prepare them for sport or health-based jobs that require a focused insight into the part played by physiology in these specific disciplines. Examples of specific modules on our applied sport and exercise physiology master's degree include performance physiology and also supervised experience, where we focus on opportunities for you to work with a client in a real-world setting. When you arrive here at the School of Sport, Health and Exercise Sciences, you'll be taught by a group of enthusiastic staff who are highly committed to the student experience. The teaching strategy on our master's degrees tends to vary by module, but in general, it consists of a mix of seminars, practicals, lectures, and independent study. In conjunction with this, our assessment styles tend to be made up of a blend of case studies, presentations, and coursework. Within our approaches to teaching and assessment, we also focus on the development of key transferable skills. For instance, critical analysis, independent thinking, problem solving, and well-polished presentation styles. We do this because we believe that these types of skills are vital to employers and that they'll help you get that job when you finish your degree. Now, when you arrive, you'll also be allocated a personal tutor to help you through all aspects of university life, whether they be course specific or general. Alongside this, you'll also have a project supervisor to support and guide you through your research project or your dissertation, depending on what one of those options it is that you choose. Our Students' Union clubs and societies were named the best in the UK at the What Uni Student Choice Awards in 2019. And as a Bangor University student, you'll have access to the university's award-winning accommodation and free clubs and societies. In terms of our sports clubs, you'll be able to train, compete, and socialise with fellow club members in sports such as football, netball, rugby, and hockey. Or you could try something new like canoe polo, sub-aqua, or even Quidditch. Alongside our sports clubs, our societies provide you with an opportunity to complement your hobbies and interests, and we offer societies in things like comedy, cooking, photography, and drama. So to wrap up, why study a master's degree in the School of Sport, Health and Exercise Sciences at Bangor University? So apart from the absolutely incredible location that we've got here in North Wales and the vast experience that we can draw on, having been one of the very first sports science departments in the UK, our broad range of student-centred teaching methods are one of the many reasons that Bangor University has achieved a Gold Award, the highest rating possible in the National Teaching Excellence Framework. We also place a strong emphasis on research-driven teaching, and the fact that we're currently rated 7th in the UK for research activity shows that we can provide you with the cutting-edge knowledge needed to thrive in the workplace after you graduate. So thank you for watching, everyone, and please do contact us with any questions you might have. We hope to see you soon, and take care.